the agony and ecstasy of chanting Hare Krishna. Agony means the pain and suffering, the misery and the hopelessness that arises, and then sometimes that's counterbalanced by the extreme joy and happiness. So there's 2 points, a couple of points that came to mind. First point is that your description, why you're experiencing, you're saying that I feel great joy and happiness from chanting Japa or Harinam, Kirtan, Sankirtan. And that your experience is that, and experience of millions of devotees worldwide. And how is that? Because Krishna's mercy. Krishna is His holy name, and Krishna is an ocean of sweetness. There's a verse in Skanda Puran that's quoted in Hari Bhakti Vilas 11. It's in Skanda Puran and Hari Bhakti Vilas 11:2-3-4. Madhura Madhura Maitan Mangalam Mangalanam. This is a famous verse. Sakala Nigamavali Satpalam Chit Sarupam Satkrid Apiparigitam Shadaya Helaya Va Brigovara Naramatram Tarayat Krishnanama. So this is some person, can't say, but someone is glorifying. It's from the Puranas, maybe Narada Muni, or who can say.